What are we doing today, Jen?
Tuna Jaffle.
Your first attempt is always pretty messy.
That's my only attempt.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
And she doesn't want me in the shot.
It has a weird taste, but it's good.
Canned tuna juice.
No.
Yes. It's fine. I don't know. I guess the dough didn't like cook. It's cooked enough so we won't get food poisoning. There's no yeast in this, so disregard everything I just said.
I don't know what I'd do again if I were to redo it. Maybe not use tuna. I prefer this, like the one in the pan, over the Jaffle. But like, both were good. The filling is good. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up if you did. Until next time, I'll see you later.